Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device OS and current App Store region so you know what must change. Install a trusted VPN app and sign in. Choose a server in the target country. Once done, close the App Store fully and clear its cache or force. Stop the app so region data resets. Make sure your Apple/Google account has no active subscriptions tied to the old region before proceeding to avoid billing issues. With the VPN connected to your chosen country, open the App Store immediately so requests route through the VPN. If the store still shows your old catalog, sign out of your account, then sign back in while the VPN remains active. This forces a region refresh. If the app requires a local account, create a new store account using a matching country setting and a valid local address. Make sure payment method aligns. You can install the app while the VPN is connected to ensure the download completes from the target store. Once installed, launch the app and sign in to any in-app accounts. Some services may still check location, so keep the VPN on for the first launch. After installation, you can switch VPN off if the app doesn't require it, but make sure updates come from the same store account. If the store blocks access, try a different VPN server, change protocol, or recreate the store account. Those steps usually fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.